5 digits will be on the left and 5 digits will be on the right. So here in this case, you have 10 digits. The fifth digit is 3, the sixth digit is 4. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So in this example above, the middle values are 3 mm and 4 mm, so the median would be 3.5 mm, halfway between 3 mm and 4 mm. But had this array been of 11 digits, then you would have selected the digits by arranging them in ascending order. You would have selected the digit exactly on the sixth position. And now let us discuss what is the mean. The mean is nothing but it is the average value represented by the following equation: number divided by number of values. So in this case, the values were total 10. So the number of values 10 is the denominator. The total addition of the values is come to 34. 34 divided by 10 is 3.4. So you see there is a difference between the mean and the median. The median is 3.5, but the mean is 3.4. So we will be using a lot of fundamentals of statistical quality control while discussing quality in operations. We will be having some separate sessions on statistical quality control. So finally, I end up my session today a little earlier by discussing with you classification of quality costs. There are four classifications of quality costs. Just a minute, let me send a message. There are some calls coming in. Right? So there are four types of quality costs: quality prevention cost, that is the cost for planning and operations of a quality system; quality appraisal cost, that is the cost of monitoring and inspecting the product; internal failure cost, that is the cost associated with non-conformance detected before it leaves the factory; and external failure cost, that is the cost of non-conformance after delivery. Okay, so primarily if you are asked this question in the examination, what are the different costs of quality, say that there are four costs of quality: prevention costs, appraisal cost, internal failure cost, and external failure cost. See, this is an example of internal and external failure costs. Have a look. You always remember the cost of non-conformance of quality is more than cost of conformance of quality. Any questions on quality? Let me take your attendance. Today we have only 15 people attending, including myself. So there are total 14 participants for operations and supply chain lecture. Okay, so that was all about quality, and we have finished the first session on quality costs, quality prevention cost, appraisal cost, internal failure cost, external failure cost. Our further discussions or sessions will be on statistical quality control. Then we will also be covering some numerical sort examples on EOQ or inventory management, etc. Now I'm keeping the class open for question answers and interactive sessions.
सर क्वालिटीसाठी सर हे कंपनी किती खर्च करतात एमएनसीज वगैरे इंडियन कंपन्या जास्तच खर्च करतात.
थोडं मोठ्याने, there's a lot of background noise.
असं क्वालिटीसाठी आपल्या कुठल्या कंपन्या जास्त खर्च करतात कुठल्या सेक्टरमधल्या.
All sectors they spend on quality. Manufacturing, service, all sectors. approximately 25 to 30% of the total working capital cost is spent on quality control. That is prevention of bad.
Yes, sir.
बराच बराच खर्च करतात. People, there are manufacturers who spend a lot of cost on manufacturing quality, sales quality, after sales service, etc.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other questions? I am keeping the session open now for question answers. Because the part one of the quality issue is over, part two will probably be on statistical quality control, where we'll be solving a lot of numericals. And I also remember I have to cover inventory control with some short numericals on EOQ, or economic order quantity of inventory management. Okay, so these presentations will be made available to you all once our sessions are over.
सर हे ISO चे सर्टिफिकेशन मिळतात ते कुठल्या बेसिसवर
कुठलं
मिळतात?
certification?
ISO चे वेगवेगळे सर्टिफिकेट्स मिळतात.
ISO certification is basically based on systems and processes and procedures. If you follow a typical system or a standard of ISO, ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. If you follow a certain standard which is voluntary, म्हणजे ते complete voluntary असतं, it's not mandatory, but vendors and suppliers make it mandatory, or original equipment manufacturers, original companies make it mandatory, like only they will give you business if you are only ISO certified, registered. So that is basically based on the systems and procedures and conformances that you follow for your product or service. There is a set of rules and protocols you have to follow.
Yes, sir.
ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. For more interest on the ISO part, you may want to visit the ISO website. It is very much available. You can visit iso.org. Please mute yourself. You can visit iso.org. There's a lot of noise. I think I can share with you the chat. In the chat window, I will write. You can visit more details on iso.org.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
And you can also visit ASQ, American Society for Quality. American Society for Quality ची website visit करायची. It will give you 100% huge information on quality.
Yes.
www.iso.org. I think the chat is not available to all of you.
Yes, sir. ते क्लोज केलं होतं, sir.
Chat close केलं. जाऊ दे. Just visit iso.org and asq.org. ASQ stands for American Society for Quality. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization.
Yes, sir.
A lot of information you will get there. Okay. Any more questions from anyone? The session is open with question answers. Last 10 minutes.
सर एक क्वेश्चन आहे.
बोला.
सर ते मध्ये न्यूज होती की आपले कार कंपनी जे ते युरोपियन ह्याच्या कंपन्यांच्या कंट्रीमध्ये ह्याच्यामध्ये फेल होतात सेफ्टी स्टँडर्ड्स मध्ये, क्वालिटीमध्ये. क्वालिटीच्या अंडरच येतं नाही सेफ्टी स्टँडर्ड्स मध्ये, जसं नॅनो पण फेल झाली.
हो, क्वालिटीच्या अंडर एक स्टँडर्ड येतं ऑक्युपेशनल हेल्थ अँड सेफ्टी. ISO 45001 इनिशियली ते 18001 होतं. there is a standard called Occupational Health and Safety Administration System. And if you're talking about automobile engineering companies, then the stringent quality standard that any automobile engineering company has to follow is IATF 16949. IATF stands for International Automotive Task Force. So IATF 16949 coupled with ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety standard, if not followed, basically if you don't follow this standard, you will be out of the market. You will not get business. So even if after following this standard, if the European cars are having safety issues, then they should go for safety audit.
Yes, sir.
Tata Motors is doing safety audit for every car that it manufactures. So Tata Motors is in collaboration with ARAI, that is Automotive Research Association of India, Pune, which is the apex body of certification of cars. And not a single car which will come out of Tata Motors will be not tested or faulty. Safety measures are very highly taken by Tata Motors. I don't know about the European cars. I cannot make you any statement because I never had the opportunity to work in European manufacturers like Fiat or Piaggio or any other Skoda or Volkswagen. But one thing is for sure that safety is very much utmost important in car industry. There is an international body called AIAG. You can also browse it. The headquarters are in Geneva. The headquarters are in Michigan in USA. The body is named as AIAG, Automotive Industry Action Group. And there is also a body in India called SIAM, SIAM, Society for Indian Automotive Manufacturers. AIAG and SIAM are the people, are the body who develop safety standards for automobiles, all standards for automobiles, and we have to follow that.
Yes.
Okay, so last 5 minutes are left. If there are no questions, you may want to log off, or if there are questions, I am welcoming all of you. I think the session is also getting recorded, so the session will be available to you at later time, and the PowerPoint presentations will be sent to Dr. Wag from my email. You will get the PPT presentations for your exam study or reference. Okay, all of you?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I am not logging off now. I will mute my camera and microphone now. If anyone has any question, you can talk. My speaker is on. I can listen to all of you.